Hello everyone, you are highly welcome. I have this beautiful problem on the board. 9 to the power of 4 to the power of m equals 4 to the power of 9 to the power of m. So what is the value of m? So now how are we going to do that? Now what you are going to do is to introduce logarithm to the both sides of the equation. That is, I'm going to be having log 9 to the power of 4 to the power of m equals log 4 to the power of 9 to the power of m. All right, and you know from the law of logarithm, so whenever you have log of a to the power of b, so this will be b log what? Log a. So that is what we are going to be using there. All right, so moving on. So what are we going to have? I'm going to have the power, this 4 to the power of m, we come down like this, then log 9, then equals the same thing. This 9 to the power of m will come down. I have 9 to the power of n, then log what? Log 4. Understood? So moving on. So the next thing we're going to do is that I'm going to divide both sides by 9m and log 9. 9m and log 9. That is, I'm going to have 9m, then log what? Log 9 divided by 9m, all right, and log what? I mean 9 to the power of m, not 9m. 9 to the power of m, then log what? Log 9. So now by that you see that this we cancel this here. 9m we cancel 9 to the power of m here. So we are left with 4 to the power of m divided by 9 to the power of m, then equals log 4, then divided by log what? Log 9. All right, so moving on. So now from here we can see that we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 2, that is m, divided by 9. 3 to the power 9 to the power of m also can be 3 to the power of 2, no, m, and which is equals, you can have this also to be log 2 to the power of 2 divided by log 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so moving on. So we're going to have what? We're going to have that 2 over 3 will be raised to 2m. That is from the law of indices. When you have a over b, all right, and a is raised to the power of c, and b is also to the power of c, so this can be a over b, then all to the power of c. Understood? And that's what we did over there. Okay, so now moving on. So we're going to have this to be equals. Now this 2 will come down. All right. Let me change the. So we have what? We have 2 log what? Log 2 from there. Then the 2 log what? Log 3. So now from there, so you see that this we cancel this. Then we are going to be left with 2 over 3 to the power of 2m. Then equals. Then log what? Log 2 divided by what? Divided by log 3. Okay, so from there, the next thing we're going to do is that you know, you should recall that when you have log a, all right, over log b, this can be written in a single logarithm form as log a to base b. So we are going to use the same thing here. Understood? So we're going to have 2 over 3 to the power of 2m equals log 2 base 3. Okay, so now moving on. The next thing we're going to do is to introduce logarithm again to the both side because of the power 2m that is here. So we have 2 over 3 and to the power of 2m equals what? Log, then log 2 is 3. All right, so from there, the next thing is that this 2m we go down and multiply. You're going to have 2m, all right, log 2 over 3, which is equals to log is 3, then 2. Okay, so from there, the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to divide both sides by, 2 log 2 over 3. Divide both sides by 2 log 2 over 3. And from there, you see that this, we cancel this 2, we cancel the 2 here. Then we are left with m to be equals log into log base 3 2 divided by 2 log 2 over 3. Understood? So now, so what do we have again? If you like, you can solve this further. If you like, you can leave your answer like this. This is the accurate result. Our m is this. You can use your calculator and get your approximate value, but this is the actual value. So we have our solution to be log into log 2 base 3, all divided by 2 log into 2 over 3. And that's the end of the class. So if you find the class very interesting, kindly share this to your friends so they can learn from it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.